We are excited to present this charming two-story home in the desirable village of Grogan's Mill. Recently remodeled, this home features 4 bedrooms and 2.5 baths. Your home awaits you here in the Woodlands. Welcome to 42 Woodhaven Wood Drive. Let me show you around. As you enter, you are welcomed by the stunning hardwood floors and open concept living, dining, and kitchen. The living room highlights the stunning white brick fireplace and views of the backyard through the plantation shuttered windows. You'll love entertaining guests in the updated chef's kitchen with a large farm sink, Calcutta quartz countertops, and subway tile to the ceiling. The kitchen also features updated stainless steel appliances, including an oversized hood and pot filler, built-in wine rack, and white shaker-style cabinets with floating shelves. The opposite side of the first floor includes the primary suite with hardwood floors and triple pane windows. The primary bathroom has dual sinks with granite countertops and 2 closets. The second floor features 3 secondary bedrooms and a gorgeous updated bathroom. One of the best features of this home is the large backyard space, which includes a dog run and allows for extra privacy with no neighbors behind. You're able to kick back and relax while enjoying the built-in fire pit and unwinding after a long day. The village of Grogan's Mill is an ideal location with accessibility to I-45 and Market Street restaurants and shopping, as well as walking distance to the Woodlands Country Club. 42 Woodhaven Wood Drive is a home you don't want to miss. Call us today so we can show you why this one-of-a-kind Woodlands home is the home for you.